InfosecTrain,
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 InfosecTrain, InfosecTrain.
Diversity unified.
Committed to excellence.
My second family.
best place to work, open to ideas,
Work-life balance.
Flexible and fulfilling.
Home away from home.
goal-oriented,
Encouraging.
collaborative,
Inspiring.
Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to reach out to you today as we celebrate the 6th anniversary of our partnership. Our journey together has been full of triumphs and challenges, but through it all, your invaluable feedback has been instrumental in refining and enhancing our offerings. We are dedicated to evolving with the ever-changing landscape, ensuring that our services remain at the forefront of innovation to meet your needs effectively. I feel proud to announce that apart from being recognized as one of the most trusted security-focused training organizations, we have now joined the ranks of fastest growing edtech companies in data privacy and GRC. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering trust of our learners and the dedicated efforts of my exceptional team at InfosecTrain. Thanks to each one of you for putting your faith in us. Happy learning.
As we mark another milestone in our journey, it is with a great pride and gratitude that I extend my warmest greetings to each and every member of our incredible InfosecTrain family. Our front-end heroes and our back-end champions have allowed us to achieve remarkable milestones and deliver unparalleled values to our clients. Our success is intertwined with the trust and partnerships we have built with our customers. Our customer feedback has been invaluable, driving us to continuously innovate and refine our services to better meet the evolving needs of learners. I am confident with this exceptional team, we will continue to reach the new heights and set new benchmarks in years to come. Congratulations, Team InfosecTrain.
Apart from adding more capabilities and courses in our portfolio, our prime focus as a part of our training delivery team has always been to give the highest quality learning experiences to our clients, whether individual or corporate. And I feel so great in saying that we have been 100% successful in doing that.
Over the years, our online presence and trust score has consistently seen an upward curve. We are lucky to have an amazing team all across sales, delivery, and support who help us build a trustworthy brand. And last, not the least, thank you to our learners who always shows their trust in our abilities. Thank you.